Thanks for joining me for another carol. I just love playing these with you and for you, and I'd love to see any of your own versions. If you tag me in social media or post links below, I'd love to see them. Just a few little tips on this one in case you're wondering what I'm doing. I put the chords on the screen, so hopefully you know what you're doing there, but just the picking pattern, this is in 6/8 timing, which means we're counting sixes basically. So one way you could do it is nose to toes and back up again, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The way I do it is basically doing that, but on the 1 and the 4, I play both outside strings. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like Silent Night. Just to break this down a little bit further, you've got counts in 6. So we start with G, like G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. Then holy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Night to D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C. Again, G, again, C, again, G, again, D, D7, G, E minor, G, D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, single strum. You could just go one direction if you wanted. Silent night. Just threes there. 1, 2, 3. Again. Repeat. Repeat. You could continue that going. You can make anything you want. This is also really beautiful strummed. Silent night. It's up to you. You get creative and you do what feels right for you in your heart. And as I said, I'd love to see your version in the comments below or on social media. Let me know as well what you'd like to hear next and anything else you'd love to learn, or just say hi. I love to hear from you. I love knowing who's on the other side of the screen. So reach out. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so that you don't miss any other of our carols, and come and sing and play along with me. Oh, and don't forget to check the description, because that's where I put all the extra little goodies that I sometimes miss in my video. So jump on down there, click on the links, get yourself some free good stuff, and see you next time.